Hello there, I'm just your average everyday website. You know, the kind you probably scroll right past. But not too long ago, I was quite popular. Users would visit me all the time. Then came the AI search engines. At first, everything was fine, but soon, I noticed something strange. Fewer and fewer users were finding me. I tried to change, to be more relevant, but the AI engines kept pushing me down. It felt like I was shouting into a void. Hey, I'm still here. But no one could hear me. I was buried under pages and pages of results. Now I'm just fading away, forgotten in the vast digital landscape. Is this the end for websites like me? Or is there still hope in this AI-driven world? Only time will tell. But remember, behind every link, there's a story waiting to be discovered.